Wominjeka, you rip-roaring bunch of Bonds of Beauty legends. I listened to a couple of tradies this morning complaining about their customers not being happy because they're living in a construction site and all of the dust. Well, little quick trick just from me to you guys out there, use a vacuum. Get a vacuum on board and vacuum all of your bits and pieces up. It makes a massive difference, and the best part is you stand out from the crowd. When you're using a broom on site, you're just pushing it everywhere on the internals. We don't want that, especially when it comes up to painting time. We want it to look Mickey Mouse grouse. So, next time you're cleaning up on site, or the apprentices, grab a vacuum, clean her up. And guess what? Everybody will be happy. Dial on a smile. Stay awesome.